Hi folks, George here. Sorry, I just had a swig of pop and I had to pass the gas from the top side. Another video here. I'm going to be getting a lot of stuff from our smiley face friend with no eyes. So I'm going to be uploading quite a few videos of the products that I bought and the products that I'm going to be giving my reviews on through Amazon and my Amazon account, my Prime account. So try to bear with me here as I'm going to try to do this somehow and give you some idea what I'm going to have to get a tripod for this thing. I know exactly what it is, but I want to keep you guys in suspense. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys for the bad video. I'm bad. Once I get it in, it's okay. Here. Oh my lord. It's going to take me 10 minutes just to get this thing open. My goodness. It's so bad. Okay. I got to put the phone down. Sorry, folks. You can hear me slap through it. There we go. There's the package. There's the stuff inside. Ooh. 9-in-1 USB-C multi-port adapter. It looks bigger in the pictures. There's my details for my receipts and delivery options. There we go, folks. It's called a Troitech. And here we are. USB micro port adapter. This thing is acting up. There we are. Let's see if we can open it or not. And it's got those funny glue sticks. I'm going to have to put the phone down again, folks. Sorry. And as you can hear me snap into it. And voila. Here we go. Exactly what you're going to get. And it's much smaller than I thought. It looked bigger in the pictures. But we will take it out of the package. And see. There we go. There's a micro SD card. Three USB ports on one side. And then we have the RGB 45 cable, the audio video cable, and HDMI, I believe. No. Yes. HDMI. And the power source is Type C, because I have a Chromebook. So we will plug it in, and we'll possibly make an update video on this product. And here, what does this say here? I can't do this. It says to enjoy our new gadgets, join us on Facebook. I guess it's a Chinese website. It's getting a bit wonky. I never had problems with this video on this phone. Anyway, without further ado, thanks for watching. Bye for now.